Here's Looney again. This had slipped last year. Beautiful drop. Damian Jones and House from the same page.
Players like to push it. It means how much strip height Stephen had.
Oh, Steph. Little show and go with the left hand.
Curry here, his three-point proficiency gets people to come out beyond where they want to, and they leave their feet, as he did there. And then, of course, his left hand has gotten used to it. But you know what he can do.
Curry with the three and the foul. This is the new rule, Jim, they instituted last year. They don't want people underneath shooters. And for Steph with his ankle issues, that's even more important. And Derek Collins did the sweep the leg.
One of the most competitive people. Klay Thompson, you wouldn't know it. The one you do know is Draymond. I mean, you can tell he's a competitor. But the other guys are just as competitive.
Yes.
Not just the teammates, but everything that Joe Lacob and Bob Myers is. Alfonzo McKinney catching the air ball and dunking.